Hi, it's Glenn with ERD, the leader in CPC4 repair. ERD is a 27-year-old industrial service company with a 3-year warranty on all our repairs, and we are now the leader in CPC4 repair for the Freightliner Cascadia. After 3 months of work, we have developed the process to achieve 100% success results on these repairs. We offer our 3-year warranty on these rebuilds, and currently we are working on speeding up the process in order to get your modules back to you quicker. So, after the repair, you will receive a video showing our comprehensive testing, which involves not only our in-house software that simulates the Freightliner, but also it is hooked up to Diesel Laptop, the #1 commercial software used for Freightliner Cascadias. Please see the attached video as an example of what every single unit goes through before it leaves ERD.